Good morning. I'm delighted to be reporting Franco-Nevada's best ever annual results, both top line and bottom line. Our diversified portfolio served us well with good contributions across precious metals, energy, and iron ore, driving a 27% increase in revenue to $1.3 billion. Precious metal growth was driven by an increased contribution from Cobre Panama, outperformance by Antamina, and the first-year contribution from the Condestable acquisition. Iron ore prices spiked during the year, and we generated strong revenue from our iron ore holdings. Energy prices recovered from their pandemic lows in 2020. That, along with the newly acquired Haynesville natural gas royalties, saw our energy revenues more than double. The mining industry has not been immune from global inflation, and it's at these times that our top-line business shines. With limited exposure to inflation, our revenue growth translated directly into expanded margins and record earnings. Our adjusted EBITDA margin was 84% for the year, and we generated an impressive 52% adjusted net income margin. Our efforts on ESG continue to be well received. During the quarter, we had our top rating reaffirmed by Sustainalytics. We were once again highly ranked by the Globe and Mail's annual governance ratings. We also made progress on our diversity goals in 2021, and it's been tremendous to see our staff rising through the ranks, increasing diversity in our senior management. The growth in our business prompted our 15th consecutive annual dividend increase announced this January. The 6.7% increase takes our quarterly dividend to 32 cents per share. Our board also moved their annual dividend review earlier in the year, so the increase will, for the first time, apply for each of our 4 quarterly dividends, an effective 10% annual dividend increase. You'll notice a small change in the presentation of our results. To capture the full scale of our business, we now reflect all our revenue, including energy revenue, as a total gold equivalent ounce number. We also provide the gold equivalent ounces that relate to our precious metal assets. Along with our results, we've provided our 2022 and updated 5-year guidance. After the 27% growth in 2021, we anticipate a more moderated production profile in 2022. The outlook reflects an expected lower contribution from Guadalupe, more normalized grades at Antamina, and a dip in the grade at Antapaccay for the year, before recovering again in 2023. We expect our growth to continue in 2023, with the largest driver being Cobre Panama. First Quantum plans to expand the mine from the current 85 million ton per annum and achieve 100 million ton per annum by the end of 2023. We're guiding to roughly 10% organic growth in our business by 2026 over 2021 levels, with a similar commodity mix between precious metals and diversified over the period. Growth will come from mine expansions and new mines. Expansions are expected at Detour, Tasiast, Stillwater, and Vale's iron ore operations, along with that at Cobre Panama. Of the new mines expected to contribute, Salares Norte, Séguéla, and Greenstone are already under construction. We also have royalties on a deep portfolio of gold exploration properties and what are likely some of the next generation of copper and nickel deposits. Their development is looking ever more likely in the current environment. Our business development team is very active, principally with the financing of new gold mines, but also considering diversified assets. To wrap up, I'm proud of what our team has achieved, resulting in yet another record year that builds on the track record of Franco-Nevada. The company is debt-free, has total available capital of $1.6 billion, and continues to grow its cash balances. Thank you again for your support.